What's going on, everybody? This video has come requested, and who am I to not at least attempt to oblige? One of my friends asked me to do a Eat Like a Man Thanksgiving edition. So here we go. First thing you're going to do is take your bowl. Second thing you're going to do is take your ramen noodles. Third thing you're going to do is pour on your hot water. Then you're going to steam up your lens. I'm going to let this sit for a little bit. Alright, this is sat for a little bit. It is well and truly chooched. So now we can sit back and eat. Haha, just kidding. Now let's get down to the real work. If nobody minds, I would like to introduce you to the chimney method. Got my chimney full of fire, usually used for starting charcoal. I have a grate from an old propane grill, and I am going to take that and throw it on there, and it's going to do that. And really quickly, I'm going to flip it. Quickly, I'm going to get that side and that side all the way around. And since this fire is so hot, the chunk of meat is so big, I'm going to take it off and let it rest for a minute. Then I'm going to repeat those steps until it's done. Be back in a bit. Alright, I have repeated that process a number of times. That's what we're looking like. I'm going to go ahead and take it off. Take it inside and let it rest for a few minutes while I work on something else. Sit tight. Alright, over here I've got my tiny little skillet with 2 tiny little potatoes chopped up in it. And then I poured bacon grease from this morning's breakfast in there on top of that, and that has been in there cooking for about 30 minutes, and the potatoes are nice and crispy and mushy at the same time. It's kind of a fried baked potato. I had a little lid on top of it. I'm hungry. I'm going to plate this stuff up. I think the ribeyes rested long enough. Time to eat. Got my steak, got my baked fried potato. Looks pretty amazing. I'm going to go give thanks and shove this in my face hole. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.